everybody, Miss Taylor here with the new game called Cup Ninja. All you need is a blindfold or something to blindfold yourself with, tape, and cups. The point of the game is to make an obstacle course and see if you can get through without touching the cups.
The sun is shining. Today the high is 51 degrees and the low is 31 degrees. We hope you enjoy this weather. Last year around this time it was horrible.
Rainy, cold, yuck! So make sure you get outside and stand in the sun.
This report is sponsored by
the letter B. And B is for Boys and Girls Club.
It's science time! Look at this bug. No, we're not learning about bugs today, but look what the bug is actually doing. It's standing on top of water. Don't try that at home, but the reason why the bug has the ability to do so is because of surface tension. The molecules form a nice little film on top of the water that allows the bug to stand on top and not sink. Look at this cool picture. A swimmer is coming from underneath the water and the tension hasn't broke yet. Can you see it? Grab a bowl, milk, toothpicks, food coloring, and dishwashing liquid. We're going to learn about surface tension with a cool science project. Grab your milk and pour it into a bowl. Then grab your food coloring and pour dots into your milk. As you can see, the surface tension is not allowing the food coloring to move and is staying in its dot form. Now, dishwashing liquid serves as a repellent, so it will break the surface tension. The colors allow you to see the tension breaking. This right here is why this experiment is called Milk Fireworks. What colors did you use? And what does your finished product look like? Hope you have fun. See you next time in the science.